Okay, just want to see if you guys log into your Rapid Identity on the dashboard view. Do you guys see this thing here called Industrial Tech, the Amazon Web Services Lab apps? If so, we're going to be using this one here after spring break. If you want, click on it to see if it loads. It's kind of a longer loading process. I'm not sure what your screen may look like. Yours may launch into a launching screen. If not, if it comes down to here, options, we're not in the business art graphics, we are industrial tech. So pick that option and sign in. And then yours may go to a little bit longer duration of a login process than this here did. But here we're going to use some of our programs throughout the rest of the distance learning time.